अच्छा, अब मैं इनवाइट करूंगा टू और नेक्स्ट स्पीकर, दैट इज मिस्टर अली मुकीत हैदर, जो वाटर रिसोर्स और इसके ऊपर बात करेंगी। सो अली, प्लीज, फ्लोर इज योर्स।
Thank you so much, Umar. First of all, Assalamu alaikum to all the distinguished speakers and participants of this webinar. My name is Ali Mukeet and I am working as battery catalyst design engineer in Healthcare, Pakistan. So we start our presentation. Now, first we discuss the industry challenges. First one is the rapid urbanization. As we everyone very well aware about the rapid urbanization caused due to the populations, as the population of the world is increasing day by day, and so that the new colonies and new urban areas on developing. So the role of water, one of the most major and the increasing problem in the water sources is the shortage of potable water, as we don't have sufficient water to supply uh, the potable water to the new communities. So here is the role of water source engineer is so much significant, and they keep on demanding. Next is the climate change. Climate change has creating a badly impact in recent past. Please keep on first slide.
अली, आर यू
Hello,
स्पीकिंग?
can you hear
आपकी,
me?
हाँ, नाउ वी कैन हियर यू। आपकी
Can
आवाज
you?
शायद ड्रॉप हो गई थी।
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay, okay. Can you please keep on first slide? Okay, thank you. Climate change. Climate change is the biggest threat globally. The temperature and the rainfall patterns significantly change in recent times, due to which in recent times we have witnessed urban floodings and river floodings. So there is a new challenge for the water resource sector that we have to come up with the new studies. So there is opportunity for the new grads, for the new professionals to come up and make their part in it. And the fourth one is the depletion of groundwater. Groundwater is the most cheapest and the reliable source of fresh water. However, due to the rapid urbanization and many other factors to the densely populated areas, the recharge ground capacity is decreasing day by day, which causes a badly affecting the groundwater. So here is the role of groundwater modeling is increasing in the market, and this sector is don't have any experts right now. Very few experts exist in the market. So this subject has a very significant and important major subject, I think I have to say, in which new experts are need to be come up. Then the fifth one is the contamination of water bodies. As we know that due to the untreated water is continuously disposed of in the water bodies, which causes the contamination of our natural resources. So here is the role of environmental engineer is significant, as he his major specialty is in treatment of water. So the sixth point is lack of experts. Now the major drawback in our industry is very few engineers have the capacity and the capability to address such which still be vacant and need to be filled up with the new ones. So there are potential exist in this sector. Umar, can next slide. Okay. Now we discuss about the role in industry, water source role in industry. The first one role is the water source system. Basically, this portion is done by the wet utility design engineer, and it covers about the water supply and the irrigation, wastewater, and the storm water. This is the role of wet utility design engineer to address the water source system in the society. What in the water supply and irrigation system, he has to develop the new sources of water, and he developed the distribution systems, as well as he also be involved in the collection and the disposal of wastewater from the industries and the domestic areas, and stormwater. Stormwater is the major and the most prominent and the challenging subject right now facing in industry, because as the climate is continuously changing and has created an adverse effect in recent times. So it is the most important subject which need to be addressed right now. Next slide, please. No, another role of water source engineer is in the form to conduct hydrological and hydraulic modeling. Hydrological modeling basically is conducted by the hydrologist, and the hydraulic modeling is conducted by the hydraulic engineer. It lies in the water sources sector. So we in it's just about the overview of the hydrological and the hydraulic modeling for your interest and for your information. So hydrological modeling, we do first the first step is the collection of precipitation data. When we have collected the precipitation data, then we have done over it frequency analysis, then the estimation of the probable maximum precipitation, then the watershed delineation. Now the watershed delineation are mostly done by the remote sensing data, and it is integrated with the ArcGIS. Then we have to select the runoff method, as different catchment areas applies with the different runoff methods. It's a big subject, and it needs much time to discuss it, but due to limited time we have to stick over just on an overview. And the last one is estimation of a probable maximum flood. The job of hydraulic engineer is the hydraulic modeling. First he do a terrain modeling from the dam or the lidar data. Then he estimate the flood levels, calculation of channel or conduit velocities, estimation of design capacity of channel or conduit, and appropriate sizing of channel or conduit. Next slide, please. Now, the third one role is the water source engineer is to develop and evaluate the design documents. In design documents, his role is significant in development of the project specifications, engineering drawings, and the calculations. In project specifications, it covers all the list of materials, project scheduling, and also the BOQs are the part of project specifications. Then the engineering drawings covers all the layouts, standard details, and the calculations definitely based on the design. Next slide, please. No, it is one of the most important slide, tool requirement in industry. Please turn off the mic.
अगर किसी का माइक ओपन है तो
फैसल यकूब, आपका माइक ऑन है, काइंडली इसको ऑफ कर लें। मिस्टर फैसल यकूब।
Okay, tools requirement industry. This is one of the most important part of this presentation. We have very few experts in these tools, and this is on a high demand in market. And if you develop these, if you develop the skill on these software and tools, you will have good.
بس يوم اختار مرستو ولا تاريخ ماريخ نقدر على
Engineer Nadir Khan, please off your mics.
Okay. First, the sewer gem. Basically, sewer gem is used in the modeling of wastewater and surface water networks. Water gem is used in the design of distribution systems of water supplies. The collaboration of Civil 3D and Navis work create a model of BIM in wet utilities as well as in dry utility. It is a collaborated model for the clash detections. Then the HEC-HMS used for the hydrological modeling. HEC-RAS is used for the hydraulic modeling, and RGIS is the remote sensing. It is the most important tool in water sources. Now the last one is the InfoWork ICM. It is an emerging tool in market and it is highly in demand in the Middle East as well as in Pakistan. There is very few experts in market right now. If you develop the skill on InfoWork ICM, you have the opportunity to be in market in to work with the well-reputed firm. Next slide, please. Okay. Basically, this is the picture you are now seeing is the BIM model. It is the integrated model of the Civil 3D and the Navis work. It is a collaborated model of all the utilities, that is electrical, surface water networks, sewerage well networks, as well as water supply and the highways. It is basically the integrated model which are most effective in the detection of the clash detection of all the utilities. And if you develop the skill on this specific area, you have the biggest opportunity in the market to work with one of the good reputed firms. It is in high demand area. Next slide, please. Okay, now the picture you are seeing is basically it is the watershed modeling on the InfoWork ICM. It is basically a 2D modeling in which you are seeing there is urban flooding. Basically, InfoWork ICM is the tool which give you which you give the results, detailed result analysis of the urban flooding, so that you you come up with a good idea and can make a good decision to handle and cater such problems. Next slide, please. Okay, the career prospectus of the water source engineer. In water source is specific. In water source, you can be a field engineer and a design engineer. In field engineer, you will be involved in site monitoring and evaluation of progress of the project. You have to go on the site and inspect all the developments and report to your specific RE and project manager. And then the other one designation is the design engineer. Basically, he involved in design and feasibility studies. And my recommendation to you guys that you have to work with the consultant, because in consultant you have you do a special job. Especially, you have to come up with your brainstorming, it develop your technical more skills, and develop your skills also, and you have be a very efficient and become a very professional engineer. Please, next slide. there is a list of the top-notch consultant with which you can work. In specific in Pakistan, you can work with the NESPAC, Helcro Pakistan. There's a Rahman Habib, one of the good reputed firm, McDonald Pakistan, Design Consulting Engineers, and Asian Consulting Engineers. They're all doing a great job in market and in hunt of the water source engineer, junior engineers. Time to time, as the area of water sources increasing and the industry witness many challenges right now, but they are not getting a good person in a good job because the skills are not exist in our market right now. Then you have option to work in Middle East. In Middle East, the top-notch consultants are Jacobs, Stidham Smith, and Parsons. There you work with the international personals, where you can be groom yourself professionally and technically, and also you have attract with a good handsome amount of salaries, packages, and incentive. Thank you so much. Any question you have?
Ali, we will be taking the questions at the end. So thank you so much. आपने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ों को, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है और मैं ये बताता चलूँ कि जैसे अली ने तमाम सॉफ्टवेयर और स्पेशली कंपनीज का बताया, तो हमारे पास स्ट्रक्चर में और बाकी कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट में भी अब काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है वो लोग इसको परसू कर रहे हैं. बट जहाँ तक इस तरह अली ने बताया कि सिविल 3D नेविस वर्क्स और ये तमाम सॉफ्टवेयर और डिज़ाइन का ताल्लुक है, सो लोग बहुत कम है इसके अंदर, और जब लोग कम होंगे तो फिर उनकी डिमांड ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, और डिमांड ज़्यादा होगी तो फिर सैलरीज और वो चीज़ें भी उस हिसाब से हैं. तो आई थिंक इट इज़ अनदर लुक्रेटिव करियर पाथ दैट यू कैन परसू. आप इन पाकिस्तानी फर्म में से अगर इनिशियली ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, उन पे काम करें, एंड देन यू कैन मूव टू द मिडल ईस्ट इन सम, जिस तरह अली ने ये लिखी हुई हैं, आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हैं.